have our universal fit, or whether it's a generic fit chainstay, which is for gravel bikes. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. We'll line up the back of the chainstay, ensure that it's all lined up nicely. You'll see it has a couple of relief cuts in it. Those are there to make it easy for installation for the average person to install. And what we do is lube it up very well. Grab your squeegee, start from the center out down to the bottom edge. Now we'll push it just to get that excess water out. Now we'll pull it all the way to the top edge of your chainstay, and we're at that point again now where, like I've explained in many previous videos, the best way to wrap the film around those edges is wrap your finger around a rag and slowly move it back and forth, up and down the chainstay, and you'll slowly see the film starting to stick, and work your way along the edge until you find it sitting nicely. Keep working it away. We'll work on the bottom edge. Again, same process, back and forth till we get it sitting down nicely. And where it is a little bit stubborn and it's not quite sitting down, could be because the curbs of the chainstay, that's not a big issue. There you see that didn't sit down before, but now it is. Leave it for a minute or two. Go to a different part of the chainstay, come back, and you'll find, generally speaking, it'll sit down. Same with this bottom section. Now it's sitting down nicely. And if it gives us a little bit more headaches than what we generally have had in the past installing other pieces, not to worry. We can take our hairdryer, put it on the highest setting that you have on your hairdryer, knowing you're not going to cause any issues with the film, and we will start heating it and getting it to sit down. And at the same time we will use the rag again. There we go, chainstay is all done. Left hand chainstay, we'll just check it over nicely, make sure it's fitting nicely. No edges have lifted up. Oops. That's just a spear card that we stick into the your rear calipers. That's popped out. Okay, she's all done. We'll get ready for the seat stay next.